Welcome this video palette project for your gardening a comprehensive gas wood palette and are versatile, affordable and entertain friendly material that can be transforming into a various of useful and attractive gardening project. Whether you are look to add functionally enhance aesthetic or growing your gardening space on a budget palette often endly possibility. We will explore create and protect palette for your gardening cover everything for various plants to outdoor furniture. When you palette in your gardening cost effect palette are often free or explain size, make theme or budget friendly, often for gardening project. Centrability, repurposed palette, reed wash, and promoting recycle. Versatile, there stood structure allow for a wide range of project. Easy to work with. Palette can be cut, plants, and pepper with basic tool. Before use palette, then are soft and gardening look of hard trading stick when inclination then have be tracing palette make it MB as then make biometric harmful chemistry. Create palette project for your gardening or style palette plants. Our style palette plants us an excellent solved for smart gardening for Fabian space. When growing space is limited, material need open wood palette, one wood palette. You choose of plants. Landscape fiber. Step Sandy palette to remove attacked landscape fiber to the back and button of each palette. Use as to come. Then well hold is hold in place. Fit the compartment with plants solved. Plants your choice gardening into space. Latching. The palette again. A valve or fiber or security if up ready. Best for hub like base and theme. Palette compost bin. Turn palette into the a simple and attacked compost bin to recycle original wash and mow your gardening. Material need 3 to 4 pallet. Gardening furniture. Create rustic and functional gardening furniture from pallets such as benign table or even long. Material need pallets, sandpaper, sand all pallet to enhance sofas. Stick pallet into the design height for table or seat. Pallet together use screen. Add choosing for comfort. Idea. Convenient pallet and